Welcome to iTech. In this video, I will discuss that what is end-to-end encryption and what are the benefits of end-to-end encryption. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech-related updates. So let's get started. You can see a notification on the screen. You can also see a lock with it. What does it means? So imagine you are sending a secret message to your friend using WhatsApp. End-to-end encryption is like putting your message in a locked box before sending it. Only your friend has a special key to unlock it and read it. When you type a message and send in WhatsApp, it gets locked into a secret code on your phone. This code can only be unlocked by your friend's phone. So even if someone tries to peek at your message while it's traveling through the internet, so they cannot understand it because it's scrambled up in a code. So in this way you can secure your chat with end-to-end encryption. End-to-end encryption is beneficial for privacy purpose. It enhances the security of your messages. It builds trust level. It prevents tampering of your message and it builds authenticity. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.